You asked, how to divide 9744 by 9 using the long division method. 9 divided by 9 equals 1. 1 times 9 equals 9. 9 minus 9 equals 0. Bring down 7, making 7. 7 divided by 9 equals 0. 0 times 9 equals 0. 7 minus 0 equals 7. Bring down 4, making 74. 74 divided by 9 equals 8. 8 times 9 equals 72. 74 minus 72 equals 2. Bring down 4, making 24. 24 divided by 9 equals 2. 2 times 9 equals 18. 24 minus 18 equals 6. The remainder is 6. The final result is 1082 remainder 6.